Hello there lads and lassies, welcome to ScottishGeeks. My name is Derek and today I thought we'd take a little outing. We're going to go out with the drone with my dad and well, let's see what happens. Hi guys, so we're out with the drone today, just seeing if we can get some footage and stuff. We've had some kind of false starts here because apparently there was some sort of a software update that we needed to do. It's about 7 gigabytes, we haven't done it yet, so I have no idea if there's going to be any footage. If there is going to be some footage, it'll be probably after I've been talking here. So this is my dad. Hi there. Okay, and this is his controller. This is what he uses to record that thing up there. So like I said, I'm going to try and get as much footage as I possibly can and see what happens with it. I've no idea if we're going to get anything good, but you know, being with Social Blade and all that, we should at least have some good music going on with it. It's actually a really nice day in Scotland today. As you can see, there's absolutely no clouds in the sky. Also, for those of you who want to know, eventually that's what the back of my head's going to look like. Yeah, that's my dad. So we're out anyway. Just chilling out, having fun, and even if we don't get footage, we're still playing with the drone, and we will get some drone footage going eventually, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But until the footage part happens, I shall bid you adieu. It may either be drone footage or I might be back at home chatting to you. We'll get some sort of footage going anyway. Right. And find the light. You got nothing left to lose tonight. In the end we'll see a change. Only love lasts, only love. In the night we shall go in. Will you follow me down, 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 down? It's the crime of the century. We fight for the reason, knowing every So guys, I hope you enjoyed whatever footage we may or may not have got. It may just have been me moving a camera about, or it may have been some drone footage, I don't know. Well, I'll have to find out when I go home. That's the thing about these kind of vlogs. You don't know what's going to happen until you get home and start editing them. But it's all in good fun. I should maybe hold myself slightly further back. But yeah, because you don't want to get all this here. No, that's just weird. But holy hell, is it warm today. Look at the sky. It's amazing. It's such a nice day. Hello. I've got a young person in front of me with his wee bike. Aye. So anyway, no, I'm not filming. But yes, I will catch you after the editing room, so I will catch you soon. Alright? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I have no idea what it's like yet, because I haven't even started editing yet. Hopefully we managed to get some good stuff up there. If not, I'll have to re-record this part, but you know, that's just the way things go sometimes. Anyway guys, if you want to see more drone footage, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you thought of what we did and the music and all that. And if you think I could change anything about it, etc. Guys, your comments matter to me. I do take what you say into consideration when I'm making these types of videos. Anyway, I'm going to head off for just now, get all this done, and I'll catch you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell to see when my videos come up, and my live streams as well. If you feel like donating to Patreon so we can do more videos like this, please do. There'll be a link in the description below, as well as one up here, where you can actually donate $1 a month. Is perfect. Any more than that, there are tiers where you can get rewards and things. I need to sort them at some point. We need to start giving some better rewards and things like that. So anyway, without further ado, time to get the drone footage done. Don't forget to share. I'll catch you next time, but until then, bye bye.